Oh, the carp are jumping in here. See them loaded up in here like crazy. Got this storm coming in, so it's got them jumping. Carp know what's up. Look at them jumping like crazy. That's nuts. Oh. I didn't even know he had it, guys. I thought he missed it. First frogfish of the year. Switched over to braid finally. I got my better rod. There we go. Using a different frog this time too. I'm watching all the carp jumping stuff. I'm using that, I think it's the River to Sea Bullywah, or the Poppin', I don't remember what it's called now. Freaking A. I thought it was like the River to Sea Poppin' Frog, or something along those lines. He came right off this bridge. I'm watching all the carp jump like crazy, and they're just going nuts. I think because we got a big storm moving in, I think it's got them going like crazy. First frogfish of the year, not big. There he goes. I'm hoping to get on some frog bites here. I'll do it open water. I'll fish everywhere I can with this frog while this storm's moving in. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard on me. If it does, carp's jumping around like crazy. I don't know why. It's got to be because of the storm. So hopefully the bass are kind of active, and I'll get back to you guys.